how to find support for Paramount Plus. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you find support for Paramount Plus. So what here you need to do is, in order to find support, you could open up any browser that you have, and on the web address bar, simply type in Paramount Plus support. After which you can find a lot of link. You could go and select the first one, contact us, and this is where you'll be able to find a lot of options available in order to contact them. You could also find the title accordingly. You could go ahead and locate Access Paramount Plus, or maybe you're having issue with your account, your subscriptions, or technical issue. If none of these is going to or affiliated with your, if none of these is familiar to your issue, you could also go ahead and select this chat icon or the bubble chat icon at the bottom right corner, and you could go ahead and type in, or you could also attach a file if you want to, and they will be able to help you out. So this way you're supposed to find support for Paramount Plus. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.